Are you gonna eat? Huh? You gonna eat? You're so spoiled. What are you gonna have? You're gonna have white rice with chicken and some of your dry food. Leia, are you gonna eat? You spoiled baby. You're a good looking babe. Okay, let's eat. Come here. Ready? Get your other dish out of here. Let's see if you can sit and wait for it. I know you're going crazy. Sit, stay, 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 stay. Good girl, stay. I know you know Jack's waiting to get your food. I'm not gonna let him. Stay. Stay, baby. Stay. Stay. Leia, come. Go get him. Jack, that's not for you. Come here. That's for Leia. There you go. Good girl, baby. Jack, I've got yours coming. Hold on. Jack, that's not yours. Come here. Not for you. Okay. Go ahead, Leia. Go eat. Good baby.